Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Ngiphethe Puchabu, it's a 1-1 draw.
Yeah.
Talk to us, Puchabu.
Hey, uyalazi legama lesixhosa lithi sizawuthini ebantwini. But then be that as it may, it's not all lost. It's 1-1. At least we took a point, even though it feels like a loss. Because when you are competing for a league, of course, kunalento yokuthi your home games should be prioritized and you should be winning them. But we accept the results and we move on. The only challenge is that people that we are competing against, uRivero bekathanda ukurefera kubo as ama point machines. They don't play mababona ama points. They grind results, they take points, they leave. But we are kusesena game akhona asele. Asibona ukuthi mhlambe sophelela phi ngalama game asele, but so far all is not lost. We accept the 1-1.
All is not lost, Puchabu. Puchabu, man, how much set pieces, man? Because sometimes, when you don't get too many chances, or maybe when you get chances, and you waste your chances, surely there should be like a plan B where you say at least you are practicing this, on the field. Like today we got how many corners? We got about 12 corners, I don't remember us being a threat even once,
Uyazibuyela kuphi?
Yeah.
Ibuyela kulento yokuthi sometimes we will feel like maybe le league ifunwa yithi kuphela as ama supporters. Maybe ama players have something else in mind. Because people that are consistent in as far as the issue of support is concerned, supporters bahlezi bakhona, bahlezi ba support the team. There are a lot of things that are happening within the team where I feel ukuthi maybe the issue of cohesion is no longer there. And the demonstration of that is the fact that even after my game, ama players are nalento yokufeel ukuthi we don't wanna go and sing with the supporters like the way bajwayele ukwenza ngakhona. And I'm saying to the supporters because to the players because I know they watch these things. Ukuthi emadoda, you lose a support of your own home base, then you've got a problem. Never ever make a mistake of losing the support that you are getting because you've got other teams ezidlala kuma empty stadium, and you are coming here ama supporter game in and game out bakwenzela I full capacity. Then into obabonga ngayo yokuthi after the game when you'll just go to your dressing room uhlukane nabo. I'm saying sinama veterans that have played for us baswinela ama double treble. The behavior that they are displaying as players is new to us. This is a foreign tendency to us as loyal supporters of the Orlando Pirates. Now, going back to the issue that you are raising, Yama set pieces. The reason I'm saying, are we the ones abafuni league na? Mhlambe bona they are somewhere else. How do you miss 13 opportunities? Game in, game out. Angithi lezinto unama video analysis. You check where you might have done wrong in a previous game. And then mawufika training, umsebenzi we training is to rectify those mistakes and see where you are lacking. So if you are going to do the same thing ever since season iqala, nenzani ku practice, ni practice in. Yebo? And then the other downfall that men have been raising. In fact, I've been very vocal ngayo. Issue ye inconsistent lineup. Namhlanje unprovoked, you had Dion Hoto on a bench. Unprovoked, you had Maswanganye who assisted you last week. Namhlanje you put Mbule ahead of Maswanganye. Only when the crowd is singing Maswanganye, then you bring Maswanganye in. Are you a coach or you are a reactionary? Are you reacting or we coach? You see, these are the things that we need to question now. Ngoba we have lost a major tournament in the form of ICAF, Sapum. And we accepted. We accepted on the basis that perhaps we'll find solace in this one. We'll console ourselves with at least Batilik Setat. But as things stands, yes, Punyuga lento. If this is going to be the mentality of the players and the technical team moving forward. Hence, I'm saying the only people, in my view, that I see Guti Basirias Bas Misela are supporters. Supporters are forever here. Liana, Kwenzagalani, supporters are always here. But it also speaks to experience management yethu. Uya ku last phase of the league. Uhambisa uMbokazi. Ngabe udelay kancane isale kaMbokazi wamhambisa mhlambe ngoMay. May is just here. Ifikile manje ngithi May. It's March now. It's April, it's May. You sell that chap. There's a certain element elekayo ku Sundowns. Bacela uSaling, bathi bacela ukumthenga. You are competing with them. Uyabanikeza lo Saling. Wenzani manje lapha ku Sundowns? Ubanikeza the same option that they didn't have. Umuntu ozoba quicker ukuthi bafike kuphi bafike emapalini. Nangu banikezile and the results are there now. Uyabonisa ukuthi bamthengeleni. Yayibona? So those are questionable issues and decisions that are happening within the team, but they also speaks to the experience in as far as winning the league is concerned. Because winning league akufani nokuwina iNedbank ozoyithatha nga 8 games or so. This is a marathon. This is where you need strategists akubonisa ukuthi hey, don't do this, don't sell this one, keep this one. But we move, we move. This is a team that we support. Sizobona. Tina will keep on giving them support. We know ukuthi the next game is against TS Galaxy, right? Yeah, we'll grind for those results. Let's see, but we'll keep on supporting them.
Last question, Puchavu. Who was your standout performer today?
Hey, Mao Patumbatha played. Yeah, Umbatha played. Yeah, Umbatha played. Wasinikeza ne assist. Umbatha played. We are consistent, Tina, as fans. That's why sometimes maybe kumele basinikeze umsebenzi wobcoach. Sibone ukuthi masingacoacha kuzoyenzakalani. We have been saying let Umbatha, we don't lose masidlala ngalengwe. Even namhlanje we didn't lose. We played a draw. So Umbatha was outstanding for me. And now amajita wherever they are, I saw we should ukuthi bangaphakamisa amakhanda, yabo. Ngoba they drop in the momentum at a time wherein they were supposed to win every game ebahlangabezana nayo. But they are human too. Sizoba supporter. We are saying we are here and we are here to support them. But the culture and the behavior, the new behavior that is emerging, Yoguti after AMA games, they won't come to their supporters. They should look into that. It doesn't paint a good image for Orlando Pirates. This is a big batch. I always make an example in it. eBhayibhelini njengoba siya kuma Easter uJesu makangena eJerusalem wangena nedonkey. The donkey felt so special because phela bekuJesu angithi la phezulu. And then mayibuya idonkey next week seyibuya iyodwa. Abantu bayishaya bayithela induku bayenzani. It's because the donkey was not special itself. uJesus umuntu that was special. So players, what you are representing here is what is special. Ibadge Orlando Pirates. The badge is bigger than your egos. Ama egos wabo mabashiwe ezindlini. Thina sicela mabeza laba sidlalela ibhola. That's what we are saying. Yayibona?
There with Mapagania, that's Puchavu, Bopa.
Siyabonga Mapagania.